Good morning. It's 5:30. I woke up at 5:21 and I went and washed my face and brushed my teeth and whatever. And I'm so tired. I only slept for 3 hours and I was like having a bunch of dreams that like interrupted my sleep a lot. And I'm gonna do my makeup and hopefully figure out what I'm gonna wear. This song has been on this entire time I got ready and I'm so happy about it. I sound really weird, I'm sorry. It's Waves by Chloe Moriando. It is one of my favorite songs right now, honestly. I just finished my makeup. Can you tell? I can't see the camera, but my eyebrows are not looking too good today. But honestly, I'm not really in the mood. And my glasses are huge. So now I have to figure out what I'm gonna wear. And I didn't do my laundry because I didn't get home until 12 last night for my grandma's. Here we are. And I think I'm just gonna wear a sweatshirt. Ooh, I haven't worn this ever this year. Alright, I'll see you guys after I get dressed. So this is my outfit. It's the shirt and then this because I wanted to actually show the shirt because it actually is really nice. And then just my athletic pants. Right now I'm gonna go and make coffee and put it in here and grab a bar and eat that because I'm actually gonna eat something in the morning. Dude, he was attacking everything, like the cupboards, the wall. Dude. Oh shit, Bane was in the bed with me. My favorite one is the s'more one. And then I'll get this in my hand. Tea. Alright. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna put all my stuff in my backpack. It's a good song. I recommend. Is that all you have on there? Oh. No, I just looked it up and I was like, really? Do you really just listen to it over and over? I mean, like, yeah, you can, but okay. I'm about to leave. It's 6:35. I'm just waiting for my mom. I started the car so it could get warm. I look really red, but it's just the lighting. Cats are so annoying in the morning. So I was cleaning out the camera, like deleting stuff we don't need. And then I started to delete stuff that I haven't put in a vlog yet. So that's just good. I deleted 2 clips that haven't been in a video yet. So my intro to my vlog today, it's gone. I do this every day. I'm so annoying. Anyways, it was a little kind of like a 5-year-old, but that's cool. Oh, you guys are so annoying. I know. The one broken smile. Yes. I love this song so much. So I just came to the bathroom, not to vlog, but to go to the bathroom. There's nobody in here for once. There's always somebody in here. But I just went to the bathroom and washed my retainer because my retainer was really kind of gross. And people love my hair and I love it. I'm obsessed. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get home and I'm gonna explain like everything with finals and whatever. Imagine there's somebody in here, but there isn't. Anyways, okay, I gotta go back to this. Hi, I'm home. I'm currently moving the raw footage of yesterday onto my laptop. Basically the schedule goes like tomorrow's Tuesday. I get out early the rest of the week. Today was a normal day. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, not Friday. Friday went out of school.
Tuesday through Thursday, I'm going to get out early, and they don't get out early. My little sisters, they don't get out early because we get out early. And so I'm gonna go to tomorrow. I'm going to first and second period, and then Wednesday I'm going to third and fourth, and then Thursday I'm going to fifth and sixth. So let me stay 2 hours in each class. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Pretty lame, you know. Kind of glad I don't have homework though, but I have to like study, especially for freaking Spanish, because I wasn't there in the beginning. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna wear the sweater tomorrow. It's really cute with these same pants because I don't have any other pants unless I go buy pants today. But if I don't, I'll just wear these, and if I do, then I'll just wear those. So that's it. That's all I got. Yeah. Ow! It's currently sometime. I don't know what time, but my video is exporting, so I can't use my laptop. Because it just doesn't work for anything. Anyways, so it's 6:52. I'm watching Alex's video, my response to James Charles. I love Alex. He just hit 1 million subscribers, and he was just at like 500,000 when I found him. But yeah, I'm not studying, which I should be, but it's only 6 or 7 or whatever, I don't know. I'm watching Vines, rarer than someone having a crush on me, while about to redo my nails, and I have not studied 1 word, and I have 2 finals tomorrow. So I did start studying. It's currently 9:44, and it's literally not that hard. Like, all of the words, I speak Spanish, so I basically know what all of these mean. And all of the books, I am freaking out about that because we have this book right here, and you have to, there's a certain amount of books that you read, and I showed up at around the 5th one, so I didn't read 4 of them. And I'm about to wash my face and everything. I just took apple cider vinegar, and then they ended their video, and I ate a few pieces of sushi, and now I kind of feel like booty. Yeah, I'm just ending this vlog because I have to end this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. And oh, thank you so much everybody who's like complimented my hair, like, you know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. That was gross.